We need to have a serious talk because 99% of you guys are using the AI wrong. You treat it like magic 8 ball. You shake it, ask a vague question, and hope it spits out code. That's not intelligence, that's gambling. The AI is not the architect, it is the laborer. You are the architect. If your blueprints are blank, don't blame the builder if your house or your code collapses. So stop leveraging your thinking to the AI. Let me show you a quick example. I didn't open ChatGPT or Gemini asking where shall I live. I wrote a spec file, a markdown file. It contained my unit test for finding the perfect home. I defined the constraints, must be facing south, should be on a lower floor, minimum 550 square feet or above. The tank should be like a room and not like a shoe rack zone. I gave the AI the logic, and it was the laborer. And it rejected 90% of the listings before I even put on my shoes. I didn't browse, I executed a query. But that's just finding a place to sleep. Now let's talk about where you actually live, your code base. Most of you paste 50 files into the chat and say, fix this bug. Congratulations, you just wasted 2 million tokens and confused the model. Stop dumping raw data. Build a project Bible, a table of contents for your software. I map my project like a book. Page 1, authentication system. Page 2, inventory. Page 3, the tools we use, and so on. Now when I need a feature, I don't say build this. I ask it to read page 2, use the tools on page 3, and build a feature that matches the style on page 1. The AI doesn't have to guess the context. It doesn't have to hallucinate the libraries I'm not using. It has the blueprint. It just lays the bricks. This is the difference between a fresher and a senior. A fresher asks for help. A senior delegates the task. Define the requirements, set the constraints, provide the tools. If you cannot define them in a markdown file, you don't understand the problem enough to solve it. Think first, prompt second, or keep gambling. Your call.